हरि ओम। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Hari Om. I'm extremely glad to hear that Chinmaya Mission Alpharetta is going to have this beautiful fundraising program of Chanakya. I wish you all the best, and I hope that it generates all the spirit and the enthusiasm that it's supposed to generate from people. People who do not have a center have no idea as to how it helps in the growth of the mission. We had Chinmaya Mission Ann Arbor for a long time, and people from Ann Arbor had gone to Chicago for the Gita chanting competition, and when they saw the Chinmaya Mission Center there, they all got very enthused to see that there was a focus for the people. They came back and they insisted that we should have a center in Ann Arbor, and that's how we started our center. And now it's unbelievable how people really feel so at home with the whole of Chinmaya Mission and the center. Once this Chanakya is done and people are really understanding the greatness of having a center of your own, people will be really more focused. Not only that, you can have an acharya of your own, a resident acharya, who can always be there for classes week after week, and people can go and then clear their doubts, and also people will have again a lot of togetherness when we have a center. The children also feel when it is their own center that it is like school, and then they can come to the same place every week, and all their artwork and whatever crafts or whatever they are doing can be displayed, and children really feel that this is their classroom and they feel extremely proud. The older kids get a kick out of coming and then hanging around in the mission during the vacation times, etc. It gives them an opportunity also to do some seva, and that brings in a lot of togetherness amongst the older children. The teachers will feel extremely happy once all the children come there and they all feel that this is their place, this is their alma mater once they grow up. So I would really be extremely happy if you all can come together in this great mission of having a center for Alpharetta. I have known Sudha for a long time. Even before she came to Alpharetta, she was in Ann Arbor, she was in Novi in Michigan, and she moved to Alpharetta, which was a loss, of course, for our mission, but it has been a gain for this for your place. With her enthusiasm and with her vision, I'm sure the whole thing will come together pretty soon, and that you all will realize your dream. Swami Chinmayananda had a vision that we all should have a center of our own in all places, so that all the children and the parents and the teachers and the sevaks can have a worshipping place together where they can learn also. This not only does the job of a temple, but also of a school, because we teach the children the values and our culture. So Godspeed, and may God bless you. Wishing you all the best.